Yo, what's up guys, it's Shona here again today, and in this video today we are going to talk about the exercises that you can do at home without equipment needed. So let's go into the video. That is it for this video guys. I hope that you guys enjoy and learn something throughout this video, and also I hope that you guys can benefit from this video as well. Don't forget to click the like button down below and also the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to share this video to your families and friends and whoever that it is that you can share to, so that everyone can receive this message and start to do exercises as well, because exercises are a really important part in healthy living. And if you guys don't already know, I've started a healthy living series of videos in my channel. If you want to learn more about healthy living, just go right ahead to my channel and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified when I post a new video. So if you want more contents or exercise videos, like for example this video, the part 2 version of this video, just comment down below. The intermediate version or also for the advanced version, you can just comment down below. And please do note that this video is only for the beginners. So if you want more contents like this, just comment down below, and I hope to see you guys next.